My recipe for the best fresh and crispy roasted vegetables. When you roast them fresh in this way, they taste completely different than when you boil them. Ingredients: 4 small tomatoes, 2 small onions, 1 zucchini, 2 medium carrots, 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, 1 medium parsnip, 1 medium swede or turnip, vegetable oil. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius. Wash and dry all the vegetables. Cut them into bite-sized pieces, making sure they are roughly the same size to ensure even cooking. Place the chopped vegetables in a large bowl. Drizzle them with vegetable oil and toss to coat evenly. Transfer the vegetables to a baking sheet, spreading them out in a single layer. Roast the vegetables in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside. You can change these vegetables to any that you prefer. Prepare and cook them in the same way. For more of my recipes, click on the subscribe button.